When you're on the move, you need a scooter that keeps up. Introducing the Rascal Venture 3-wheel mobility scooter. Designed to move with you, this lightweight scooter offers unmatched maneuverability and dependable performance wherever your day takes you. Whether you're zipping through the grocery store or cruising down the sidewalk, the Venture's compact 3-wheel design gives you a tight turning radius for effortless indoor and outdoor travel. With a top speed of 4 miles per hour and a 300-pound weight capacity, it delivers smooth, stable rides without slowing you down. Need a scooter that's ready for every outing? The Rascal Venture 3 is your perfect travel companion. Its up to 10-mile range on a single charge means more freedom and fewer stops. Going out of town or storing it in the trunk? The Rascal Venture 3 easily disassembles into 5 manageable pieces, no tools required. Lightweight and portable, it's designed to fit your lifestyle. Ready to regain your freedom and mobility, the Venture 3-wheel is the scooter that goes where you go. Smoothly, simply, and reliably. Call AutoMobility Store today at 800-431-3183.